Hello beautiful people, in this video I'll show you how to make this ESP32 cam based delivery robot that has live video stream. This robot is powerful but not so powerful. To build this project we need ESP32 cam module, L298 motor driver, lithium ion battery, jumper cables, wheels, gear motor and DVD motor. To begin with, I will use Tinkercad to design frame for this robot. I will later slice this with Cura software. You can find the links to STL files in the description box below. The choice of PLF filament for 3D printing is left to you. Well, these were the parts that I 3D printed, and none of them need any post-processing. Solder the wires to DC gear motor. Later, glue this motor to the 3D printed frame. Follow the circuit diagram to build the circuit and then upload this program to your ESP32 cam. Use FTDI to TTL module to upload the program. After you build all this connection, install your electronics on this robotic car. Like I mentioned somewhere above, replace my credentials of Wi-Fi with yours. Turn on the hotspot on your phone and you should be able to see this robot connect automatically. Copy and paste the IP address from connected devices to any browser, and you will see a panel to control this car. Check out the clips that shows how cool the build came out. This was all about this project. If you have any question, ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching.